In this video, you'll learn how to change the theme in your Bitget wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to switch between light and dark modes, enhancing your user experience according to your preference. Begin by navigating to the Bitget Exchange website, open your preferred web browser, and enter the Bitget URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, ensure you are on the main interface of the Bitget platform, which features various cryptocurrency trading options. Next, locate the section labeled Beyond Crypto on the homepage. You will find this option prominently displayed. Click on Beyond Crypto to access additional features related to your account and preferences. After that, look for your profile icon, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu containing several options related to your account settings. Once this menu appears, select the Settings option from the drop-down. This action will redirect you to the settings page where various account configurations can be adjusted. Now, find and click on the profile option again within the settings page. This will take you to the profile preferences where you can manage themes and other personal settings. Next, look for the dark mode option on the profile preferences page. This option allows you to switch between light and dark themes. Click on dark mode to proceed to the theme customization settings. Finally, you will see a toggle switch that enables or disables the dark theme. Click on this toggle to change the theme according to your preference. Observe that the interface will update immediately, reflecting your selection. Ensure that the theme changes to your liking before exiting the settings. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.